Year 3, welcome back. Lesson 17. It's going to be mental maths test today. So remember, you're going to have about 10-15 seconds for each question. Got 12 questions. Hopefully you're comfortable with the format now. Remember, you're not having loads of time on each question. So ideally, you're going to do everything in your heads. If you need to scribble a couple of things down, then do so. But if I move on to the next question, move on with me. Don't try and catch up. Okay, so we're going to start in 15 seconds. So grab your pen or your pencil and your paper, and then we'll get cracking. Let me just turn my stopwatch on. So question number 1. Write in figures the number 2,988. That's write in figures the number 2,988. Question 2. Add 17 and 18 together. Add 17 and 18 together. Next question, question 3. Subtract 1 hour from 80 minutes. Subtract 1 hour from 80 minutes. Question 4. Double 64. Double 64. Question 5. Multiply the number 12 by 4. Multiply 12 by 4. Question 6. Halve 86. Halve 86. Question 7. Divide 180 by 2. Divide 180 by 2. Question 8. Write the fraction 1/4. Write the fraction 1/4. Question 9. What is 1/3 of 9? What is 1/3 of 9? We've done this in some of our lessons, so think back. Question 10. Think about your 4 times table. If I tell you the answer is 32, what's the question? So 4 times table, being super duper kind. The answer is 32. What's the question? Question 11. Still your 4 times table, but this time the answer is 20. What's the question this time? So 4 times table again, the answer is 20. What's the question? And your last one, question 12. Split £2.86 equally between 2 people. So we don't like saying the word share, okay? So split £2.86 equally between 2 people. Okay, I'll give you 10 seconds and then we'll go through the answers. Flew through those, didn't we? Okay then, so question 1, I asked you to write in figures the number 2,988. Question 2, add in 17 and 18 together gave you 35. Okay, question 3, I asked you to subtract 1 hour from 80 minutes. Well, you needed to convert 1 hour into minutes, which is 60. So 80 take away 60. The answer is 20 minutes. Question 4, double 64 was 128. I asked you to multiply 12 by 4. Well, we've been doing times by 4, haven't we? Where we've been doubling and doubling again. So double 12 is 24. Double 24 is 48. Question 6, halve 86 is 43. Question 7, divide 180 by 2. Well, divide by 2 is halving. So 180 halved is 90. Question 8, you should have written 1/4 like that. Question 9, 1/3 of 9. If you think back to how we did it, we asked ourselves, how many times does the bottom number go into the amount? How many 3's in 9? There's 3. So the answer is 3. 1/3 of 9 is 3. Question 10, the question was 8 times 4. If you wrote 8, okay, that's fine because I asked you to fill in the blank. Question 11, if the answer is 20, what's the question? It's 5 times 4. Again, if you've put 5, you can give it a tick. And then the last one, I asked you what was £2.86 split equally between 2 people. So I was asking you to divide it by 2 or halve it. So half of £2 is £1, half of 80p is 40p, and half of 6p is 3p. So that's your answer. So have a look at those, folks. All right, out of 12, anything in double figures is super duper. Okay, so if you had 10, 11, or 12 out of 12, well done. Look forward to seeing you next lesson.